kayo, Raya. Naiingit ka na naman, sister. Cadet number 4. Di ba iba?
Try to become not only a man of success, but even try to become a man of value. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am PJ Valdez for the real life, but for tonight, allow to stand by the name. He is Maxine Magalon. Maxine Magalon, 18 years old, is father from Penolet. Bago ko po lisanin ang apat na sulok ng itagyado ito, nais ko pong pasalamatan sila Vice Mayor Pérez Pereira, Councilor Arsenio Pereira, Sir Butch Pereira, at Lawrence Lopez, at mga barangay also. Once again, I am Maxine Magalona. I am candidate number 4. That will be all. Thank you.
Ipag-iwan, kisi kayo yung candidate number 4, Maxine Magalona. By the time na lumapa kayo, give it all the best we got. Wow.